Oh my God. Oh my God. Robert! I was having the most wonderful dream.
Have you ever thought that your sleeping may cause trouble to others, or why your partner or roommate don't want to share a room with you? Because
You snore.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing how to get rid of snoring within 3 days. This video is divided in two parts. The first part is why we snore and the next is how to stop snoring. If you don't want to watch the whole video, the timestamps are provided in the description box. Follow them and get in the video. Is a snore. Snoring is the harsh or hoarse sound that occurs when air flows past relaxed tissues in your throat, causing the tissues to vibrate as you breathe. Nearly everyone snores now and then, but for some people, it can be a chronic problem. Sometimes it may also indicate a serious health condition. In addition, snoring can be nuisance to your partner. Now, here comes why do we snore. Snoring can be caused by a number of factors such as the anatomy of your mouth and sinuses, alcohol consumption, allergies, a cold and your weight. The following conditions can affect the airway and cause snoring. Your mouth anatomy. Having a low, thick, soft palate can narrow your airway. Obese people may have extra tissues in the back of their throat that may narrow their airways. Likewise, if a triangular piece of tissue is hanging from the soft palate is elongated, airflow can be obstructed and vibration is increased. Alcohol consumption. Snoring can be also brought on by consuming too much alcohol before bedtime. Alcohol relaxes throat muscle and decreases your natural defenses against airway obstructions. Smoking. If you smoke, your chances of snoring are high. Smoking irritates the membrane in the nose and throat, which can block the airways and cause snoring. Be careful what you eat before bed. Research shows that eating large meals or consuming certain foods such as dairy or soy milk right before bedtime can make snoring worse. Nasal problems. Chronic nasal congestion or a crooked partition between your nostrils may contribute to your snoring. Sleep position and sleep deprivation. Snoring is typically most frequent and loudest when sleeping on the back, as gravity's effect on the throat narrows the airway. Not getting enough sleep can lead to further throat relaxation. That's what causes you snore when you sleep. Now, heading to the next part of the video, how to stop snoring. Losing weight. If you are overweight, losing a little bit of weight can reduce fatty tissue in the back of your throat and decrease or even make you stop from snoring. Clear your nasal passages. If you have a stuffy nose, rinse sinuses with saline water before bed. Using nasal drop or nasal strips can also help you breathe more easily while sleeping. Try to avoid alcohol, smoking, sleeping pills and sedatives before bedtime. Now, the key of getting rid of snoring within few days is doing some anti-snoring exercises. Studies show that pronouncing certain vowel sounds and curling the tongue in specific ways can reduce snoring. Repeat each vowels A, E, I, O, U out loud for 3 minutes few times a day. Place the tip of your tongue behind the top front teeth. Slide your tongue backwards for 3 minutes a day. Close your mouth and purse your lips, holding it for 30 seconds. With your mouth open, move your jaw to the right and hold for 30 seconds. Then repeat on the left side. For more fun exercise, simply spend time singing. Singing can increase muscle control in the throat and soft palate, reducing snoring caused by lax muscles. Change your sleeping positions. Elevating your head 4 inches may ease breathing and encourage your tongue and jaw to move forward. Try to sleep on your side instead of your back. Try an anti-snoring appliances. These devices, which resemble an athlete's mouth guard, will help open your airway by bringing your lower jaw or your tongue forward during sleep. And the very last way is to keeping your bedroom air moist. Dry air can irritate membranes in the nose and throat, so if swollen nasal tissues are the problem, a humidifier may help you. I hope you find this video useful and informative. If you like this video, then give a like and don't forget to subscribe. Also press the bell icon for notification. See you in the next video. Bye.